Updates. If you are in tutorial niche, whether it is AI niche or YouTube growth niche or any niche at all, as long as you teach something on this YouTube, you need to watch this video to the end, because 90% of us have these three settings wrong. And I know that you'll be thinking this is another YouTube video that will tell you to unset it. This one is different. Yes, I know what I am saying. This one is not the regular video of turning on one setting and turning off this setting, and that is why you need to watch this video to the end, because number one and number two settings is a little settings that many of us don't even pay attention to, and we are leaving a lot of views on the table. You see that number one setting, I'm very sure that 99% of us have that settings wrong. And then the number two, guys, most of us don't even pay attention to number two, and it's very, very important. Now let me quickly show you what I discovered. So guys, as usual, you go to your YouTube dashboard. This is where you are going to see the three settings I am talking about. Guys, you will be amazed. So guys, let me quickly show you something. You see this Ask YouTube Studio. If you are not using it, if you are not using it, you are missing a lot. If you are not using this Ask YouTube Studio, you are really, really missing a lot, because it will tell you a lot of things. Now see what I am saying. Can you see? Education versus how to. So this is a common point of confusion. Here is the general rule of thumb. How to and style, best for physical and aesthetic tasks. Think how to fix a leaky pipe. Makeup tutorial, how to bake a cake. Can you see what I am saying? Now see education, best for conceptual, strategic or academic learning. Now, since you are in teaching the strategy of YouTube growth, which involves algorithm theory, psychology, and data analysis, education is the more accurate and professional fit. Now say, why does the category matter? Selecting category help YouTube recommendation system understand the intent of your video. When you select education, you can see what I am saying. Now, let's go to change your category. You just click on this setting. You click on setting, then you click on upload defaults. You click on upload defaults. So you will see all these things. These are your tags, your channel tags. So this is not where we are going, but this is where we are going. Advanced setting. So you click on advanced setting, and you will now see the category. I have changed my own. You see the category. Before, I use people and blogs. That's what I use. I use people and blogs. But immediately I read this thing, I discovered this thing, I come and change it to education. And also, whenever I want to upload, I usually choose education. So guys, the next setting that you are going to turn on is your description. So you come to this customization, this pencil icon, customization. That's where you will see your banner, you see your profile picture, everything. And then you come to description. Can you see? Channel description. A lot of us don't even pay attention to this description, and it's very important. If instead of saying, "Hi, welcome to my channel," put what your channel is all about, what you do in your channel, all those keywords, things that you do in your channel. Put it. You can see I have changed my own. You can see I share tips to get more views. Those are keywords. Get more views. 4,000 watch hour. They are keywords. 1,000 subscribers. Get monetization and grow fast on YouTube. These are keywords that you want to put in your description. And also this channel and the channel category, let it be in your description. You can see that my own, I said this channel is all about YouTube education. Can you see? I categorically state it in the description. This will help YouTube to understand what your channel is all about. When you put those keywords and you emphasize it in the description, it will help YouTube to understand what your channel is all about, and then recommend your video to the right audience, people that need what you share on your channel. Those are the people that will see your video. So you want to go ahead and change all these things now. And the third settings, guys, this settings is very important, and I don't used to turn it on before. So let me quickly show you. This setting, you go back to this setting again, and you go back to upload defaults. Yes, upload defaults, and you go back to advanced setting. This is where you are going to see the setting. Advanced setting. Okay, this is not where it is. Okay, let me see if it is. Okay, you go to channel. I think it's channel. Yes, channel. You will see this basic info, advanced setting, and future eligibility. So go to channel and go to advanced setting. So this advanced setting, you will see automatic caption. You tick on it, and then allow automatic dubbing. Can you see? This automatic dubbing is very important because it will help YouTube. It will make YouTube to translate your video. Even when you make your video in English and your video is shown to people that don't understand English, YouTube will now automatically translate that video to their language, maybe Indian, or it is Japan, all those countries that don't speak English, China, all those countries that don't understand English. When they see your video, it is their language that it will be translating to them. But even the description, the tags, and also the audio of the video, it is their language that they will be hearing. They are not going to be hearing English, and this will make your video to even reach wider audience. Like, it will reach more people, and it will give you a lot of views. Like, your video will literally go viral when you turn on this setting. So make sure you turn on this setting. So those are the 3 settings that basically me, I don't used to turn it on before, because all those YouTube education, do this, do that. But immediately I asked this YouTube AI, and it explained the importance for me. I come and quickly turn it on. So you guys, these are the 3 settings that you need to turn on. So let me know in the comments, which of these settings are you aware of before? Like, which of them are you aware of before? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you on my next video.